During the last 47 hours we have had some extremely heavy rain and record falls of rain in a short period of time here for South Dartmoor uplands, South Devon, and it's all been brought by Storm Dennis and straggling weather fronts that have been moving horizontally across the UK and very slowly coupled with strong to gale force southwesterly winds. We've had an amber warning over this area to make things all the more worse. It started on Friday 4 o'clock when the first front came through. That delivered sort of around 33 millimetres. Yesterday we had another straggling front come through, and this was coupled by the gale force winds driving the rain deeply into the ground that was already saturated from previous heavy rain. Prior to that, during the week, we had a heavy thunderstorm and torrential rain and hail that was obviously saturated the ground. Yesterday, the 15th, we had around 58 millimetres of rain in a 24-hour period, which is a record for here, which is 467 feet above sea level. And today, the 16th, we finished off around 16.8 millimetres of rain. So a total of 106.8 millimetres of rain, which is over 4 inches of rain in the last couple of days. And obviously it's been pretty bad. The drains have been bursting up, the rivers have flooded down beneath us here, the fields flooded. The River Mardle and Buckfastleigh, I think by the National River Authority, has recorded the highest it's ever been in its history of recording data from that river. Our house being old, we've got log burning fires and the chimneys have just saturated themselves. I came down this morning and it smelled like a lovely sort of woody barbecue smell. It was actually watery tar that had trickled down the chimney during the night because of not just because of the rain, but because of the constant strong wind blowing from the southwest. The sun finally came out this afternoon at around 4 o'clock and began to dry things up, but the ground is totally saturated, and everywhere around the UK it's the same story really. You know, sort of 150 millimetres of rain in places, something like that, more than that. So yeah, it's worth recording because it's one of the wettest periods I've ever recorded here in this area. So a bit of extreme really, something worth looking at. The maximum wind speed I recorded was around sort of 45 miles an hour. Nothing special really, being from that wind direction. So yeah, that's about it really. Temperatures are very mild. A lot of heavy, dense drizzle, light rain because of altitude here. It tends to fall as foggy drizzle. It just saturates everything in a very short time. Not so much torrential rain, just the density of rain in smaller particles really it's absolutely wiped the ground out. Yeah, so signing out. Hope you find that a little bit interesting. No videos on this because the river flooded last time, and one of the videos I put on is you wouldn't really notice much difference between the two.